On the back of a microwave, you've got this brace, this bracket. It should come with any microwave you buy that's new, and hopefully if you're buying a used one, it still comes with this. I do not recommend buying used microwaves because there are a lot of things that can go bad in a microwave that are hard to tell. They can look perfectly fine on the outside, but they can have the, I forget what it's called, but it's the thing that generates the heat, and that can go bad, and it's expensive to replace. So this bracket is mounted on the wall, and then the microwave just hooks into it. So it goes up under like that, and then you just kind of hinge the microwave up into place, and then you've got these holes on the top, and these are threaded. So when you install it, you have to cut the hole for the cord, you have to drill the holes for the screws, and then if you have a vent, you have to set it up for that. Now when you buy a new microwave, this is set up for one of two ways. One is to recycle the air from underneath to go up and over and out the top, or you can take these screws out and the whole assembly, I'm gonna focus here, the whole assembly comes out, and then you can flip it around so that the air comes up and out straight up. And that allows you to vent to the outside. Cabinet, so you've got your cabinets here, you've got this space in here. You need to mount the template, which should come with any new microwave. Mount that on the wall, and I'm just using blue tape. Just anything that'll hold it up there, and that'll give you where this bracket is. Mine was kind of torn up, so I have a lot of extra blue tape, but this will give you the center line right here in multiple languages, just in case. This is for if you want to vent out instead of up. So this tells you how to cut the wall if you're venting outside. Obviously, this is my outside wall. This is the back of my laundry room, so if I were to vent anywhere, I would go up. But since I'm on a floor under a bedroom, there's no easy way for me to do that. So I just have a vent out the front. So then up here, you've got the other template that comes with most microwaves. So this is the top cabinet template. So you attach this, you line it up, and it has directions on it telling you how to do everything. Again, mine was torn, so I have to figure out where the hole is supposed to be there. But once you've got it all lined up, you drill the holes here and here, drill the hole for the power. Alright, so this next part, I've got these holes marked, and I marked where they were on the template. There and there. Well, it's pretty centered. Alright, we'll try this hole. Got it that time. Alright, so now I've got one in there. I'm going to level it. Alright, good. I'll get this other hole. I use a big washer because I want a lot of holding power on this thing. This is really the hardest part, but if you've done everything right, it shouldn't be too bad. I like to put the cord through the hole, get the screws ready, and this is the kind of screws it comes with. They're really long. Please excuse the background noise. We've got a crazy kid trying to go to bed. Alright. Lift with proper form. Alright. That's the hardest part. So now, the weight's supported on that part in the back. So I can just pull this cord up through. Get that in there. It's just a matter of tightening it up. So you can see the screws right here and over here, and power cord comes through here, and that's it. And then it's nice and tight. So microwaves by nature do have an angle to them, so don't freak out if it's not level against the cabinet. You can check this if you want to double check your sanity here. You can put this on the front of the microwave and you can see. Perfect. cabinets, make sure they're the same. Yep. But yeah, the bottom is not flat. So that's it. That's how you install a microwave.